we are on the fourth day of Plast India 2026, and currently we are at the INOVANCE stall. So INOVANCE actually provides the automation solutions to the food processing industries, and we are having with us Mr. Tushar Narwade, Product Competence Center and Product Manager for INOVANCE. So hello Tushar sir, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Fine. So, what type of solutions are you providing to the food processing industry, and what are you showcasing here at Plast India 2026?
So, first of all, I would like to welcome you all on this Plastic India's fourth day. We are displaying multiple solutions for the general purpose industry, which covers the servo drive, AC drives, okay, and PLC, HMI, motion controllers. So, this kind of products we are displaying over here. So, if we can go through these all products one by one later on.
Any new innovations are you exhibiting here at Plast India 2026?
I think my colleague already explained you about the what for plastic basically plastic industry we are actually doing the IBM machines or plastic injection molding machines or all electric machines. All those kind of products we have already discussed about this thing. Servo motors, drives, pumps, and all those things.
Footfall is quite high. How are you getting traction in the Plast India, specifically for the food processing domain?
If you consider the food processing domain, we were expecting very good crowd, and as per our expectation, it is very good. We are having this fourth day and still 2 days to go. So I hope that next 2 days also we'll have the same footfall in this stall.
You are exhibiting a lot of servo motors here. So, can you just tell us more specifically about the servo systems which you are exhibiting here?
So basically, in INOVANCE, we are having a different kind of series basically. Okay. So for example, if you want a 30-watt servo drive and motor, we can provide a 30-watt also, and we can go up to 7.5 kilowatt. Beyond that, we have a different series. Means there are series like MS1 series, which is the normal servo drive general purpose, which is having from 30 watts to 7.5 kilowatt, and it is having the different kind of inertia like low inertia motors, medium inertia motors, and also we have ultra low inertia motors also. Okay, those motors are having like 1500 rpm, 3000 rpm, and maximum rpm you can go up to the 4005 rpm also. And this year we have launched a new motors basically, which are battery-less motors. Means you can use without the battery. That's absolute in a condition where you want to use the absolute condition. So we have a motors which can be used without battery. Then this year we have also launched the ATEX motor, which are for the flame-proof industries. Means if you are going to supply for this thing. And next is which we have launched a single cable motor, which are goes RPM goes up to 8,000, 9,000, 10,000. These are mainly used in the food processing industry for the packaging applications or cold storage applications. So where it comes to the servo drives or motors, we have this kind of full product range.
Innovance is also providing solutions for the AC drive. So, what type of AC drive you are showcasing here, sir?
So basically, if you see here, we have showcased here total range of the AC drives. We have a single phase AC drives also and three-phase AC drive. Even low voltage, medium voltage drives also there. So starting from zero point 0.4 kilowatt up to the 630 kilowatt. Even beyond that, we also have the AC drives. So we have basically different series, MD600 series. This year we have launched MD630 series, which is having a very unique features like it is having the communication card which has the 4-in-1 basically Modbus TCP, Ethernet IP, and Profinet all in one. Means you don't need to changing any optional card basically communication all in one. This drive is having an ambient temperature up to 50 degrees Celsius for the Indian market, for the Indian food processing industry basically. So this kind of variety we have in our AC drive.
Post 2014, India's food processing industry is growing with a massive CAGR. Right now, we are going with a very good CAGR in the food processing domain specifically. So, how do you see Innovance expanding in India right now?
If I give you some past about the Innovance, so Innovance in India we have started like 2012, and from that day we are now here already 14 years. Okay. So when we started, we had a staff of like 40 people, but right now we are having more than 300 people. We have multiple offices in different cities, metro cities. If you take Chennai, which is our headquarters, and we have in Chennai itself 70,000 square feet of different locations we are having. Then we have Mumbai offices, then Ahmedabad, Delhi, Hyderabad, this kind of offices. And after the offices, we have a different sales network in tier two cities. Like if you take Indore, Surat, Ludhiana, to those kind of offices, we are covering all over India for the service also and sell other services.
So with expansion of the India's food processing industry, you are also expanding a lot, Innovance. So congratulations, sir, for that. Sir, what type of PLCs and HMI solution you are providing to the food processing domain right now?
So basically, for the food processing F&B market, we are providing the different kind of like PLCs and HMIs. So if you come across the minimum when it is come to the commercial matters, so we have a minimum 8 by 8 PLC, which is based on the normal ladder logic or different kind of platform. Even that we have 4 axis, 5 axis pulse type we can cover. Then it comes to the motion controllers, we have a EtherCAT motion controller basically, which is having a 4 axis, 16 axis, 32 axis. We can go up to 256 axis. It's a EtherCAT redundancy and IPCs also. And for the HMIs, we are covering 4.3-inch HMI, 7-inch HMI, 10-inch and 15-inch HMI.
India has just concluded free trade agreement with European Union. So I think food processing industry is again going to get good traction afterward. How do you see India EU FTA?
See, all these kind of economical benefits from the government is helping this food processing industry. Basically, customers, what customers want, how we can expand our business, how the India can grow. So a lot of investors are coming and basically they are putting the money and this is giving the benefit to the all Indian customers. And this is helping Innovance also.
Innovance also provide the motion controllers to the food processing domain. So what type of motion controllers do you have, sir?
So we have a motion controllers with the 4 axis, 8 axis, 16 and 32 axis. And even if you want to go beyond, so we have 32 axis, 96 axis, 256 axis motion controllers. This motion control is basically programming is based on the universal platform of Codesys. So if you are aware about the Codesys platform, it is a very benefit for you to you operate the motion controller. And the programming is language is based on the ladder language, structure language, CFC, IL, means instruction list, all kind of languages. Even that motion controls, we have a web visualization which can be used for the touch monitors, and you can have the programming and visualization with the web visualization.
Innovance is also providing the robotic solutions to the food processing industry. So robotics is also expanding a lot with warehouse automation is coming into the place. Robots and cobots are also being developed by many companies. So what type of robots does Innovance provide to the industries, right?
So, Innovance, if I talk about the Innovance robot portfolio, so we have a different kind of robots. We have a 4 axis Cara robot and a 6 axis articulated robot. So 4 axis, we have starting range from 1 kg up to the 220 kg also. And for 6 axis, also same 1 kg up to 350 kg robot. So we all also introduced the cobots also this year. So probably in next 3 to 6 months, we are going to launch the cobots in the Indian market also.
So do you have any solution for the warehouse automation like AMRs and all?
So basically, when it comes to the warehouse solution or logistic solution, we are providing the servo drive motors, which are having the compact solution. Means we have an integrated servo drive and motors. So when it comes to the AMR or this kind of vehicles, so you need a space saving. So we have this kind of solution which gives us integrated servo drives and motors. Even that we already launched the wireless solution. This is the first of the kind which industry has seen in industrial automation. In this kind of the warehousing or logistics, there are big units are there. So when it comes to the wireless solutions, it is very beneficial for the customers also.
The government's push to just help the food processing industry has seen reflected in the policies of the government. Government is providing a PLI scheme, production linked incentive scheme for to the food processors. So, how do you see the government initiative helping the food processing industry right now?
See, all at the end of the day, what is requirement is that the customer benefits, how we can grow our business, how we compete with the different investors, basically. So it can, in kind of when the government gives the some kind of PLI scheme, or it gives the benefit to the customers. It helps to the subsidiaries so that India can export the materials. At the end of the day, what do you want? We want to grow. India, how we can do the India growth. So that is how the benefit for the customers also.
Thank you very much, sir, for having the candid interview, and hope you will be getting the more traction on the last day of the Plast India 2026. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.